Color night vision. An all-new Starlight Sensor records nighttime video in full, vivid color. The Starlight Sensor can see full color in environments up to 25x darker than traditional video cameras, and the new f1.6 aperture captures 2x more light. Indoor, outdoor. Wyze Cam V3 is a wired video camera with an IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it outside in the rain or inside in the kids' room. Wyze Outdoor Power Adapter, sold separately, required for outdoor use. Phone compatibility, Android 5.0+, iOS 9.0+. Motion sound detection. Wyze Cam records video when motion or sound is detected and sends an alert straight to your phone. Motion detection zones and custom settings allow you to adjust the sensitivity of detection or turn it off completely. 24/7 continuous recording, continuous video recording with a 32 GB micro SD card, sold separately. Just insert the micro SD into the base of the Wyze Cam and you're all set. IFTTT certified. Connect all of your different apps and devices. When you sign up for a free account, you can enable your apps and devices to work together. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent camera. My Wyze Cam came in today. Within 3 minutes this tiny camera was up and running. I did already have a Wyze account. It had to complete 3 firmware updates. I had to log out of my app and log back in. Once that was done, it was set to go. I am looking forward to seeing the night vision this evening.